Good. Look to left. Alright. I know you were having like neck pain and trouble like moving your neck before, right?
Just stiffness on the right side, and like on the right side of my neck, it feels like there's less mobility, I guess.
Try to move it around. See.
Like it's better now, but before it wasn't like it was harder to like turn.
Okay.
You know.
Let's get you adjusted. Let's have you lay down here. So we'll start and kind of the similar stuff we've been doing. So now right around this upper back was really tight. Got these muscles here. So that doesn't go down your arm, does it? When I do that?
No, it hurts.
Yeah. We'll just work on this. Get you in here. Good. Good. Okay. We're gonna do your lumbars. So it's have you lay this side up here facing me. This is a L4. Flip your arms around here. Keep that bottom leg straight. Break it down. Yeah, okay. Now lay on your back. Let's lay face up. Have you scoot all the way down to the edge of the table with the Y strap. I know you like the Y strap, right?
My favorite one.
Your favorite one? Okay. Let's come up and we'll bring your head back. Okay. Get a nice good stretch on here. So work on that C2, C5 area where we have the issues. Okay. So everybody kind of gets a different adjustment based on what their x-rays have. We're going to do the C2 over here. Just let your head come down. Look to left. There we go. And come over here. Just relax. There we go. That will do it. Okay. This should be good then. Is that feeling alright? Just try to move your head around. Try to. Is that a little better?
I think it is. Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll
It's
go
always
with that.
this side. That like.
Always that's the right side?
Yeah.
That's the same side those muscles.